Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you change your hotspot password in your vivo phone. Guys, you want to change your hotspot password in your vivo phone, so guys you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change hotspot password in our vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So guys, now let's see guys how to change hotspot password. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to change your hotspot password. Then guys, scroll. As you can see, your network and internet setting, tap here and guys click on hotspot setting. And as you can see, Wi-Fi hotspot, guys tap here. Guys click on hotspot password and guys cut this password, and guys new password guys we will take a 98761234 5. So like that guys we will change into this password and okay. So guys, now you can see guys your hotspot password has changed in your vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood guys how to change hotspot password in our vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.